Hey there, and welcome to my channel Flutter Explained. Here you can learn about Flutter and Dart development to create fast, beautiful and reliable apps. My name is Max and I am a senior software engineer with several years of experience with Flutter, and I want to share my knowledge and passion with you. On this channel you will find professional tutorials covering everything from Flutter and Dart basics to advanced topics like state management, testing, animations and more. You will also learn how to use Flutter from a whole stack perspective, meaning how to connect your app with backend services, databases and APIs. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate developer who wants to step up their Flutter skills, this channel is for you. I want to keep my videos friendly, informative and professional, so you learn the most out of it. I want to answer all the questions that could arise during my live streams or in the comments below. If you are interested in learning Flutter and Dart from a professional software engineer who knows which problems beginners struggle with, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will never miss a video again from me. Thank you for watching and I can't wait to see you on Flutter Explained.